I joined the center because I wanted the opportunity to learn more about technology in a safe and inclusive environment.
I joined the center because I love women empowering women.
I joined the center to build my confidence and lead a team.
I got involved in the Black Women in Tech group mainly because of my background in STEM. I'm a mathematician, but I know nothing about technology, but at the same time, I love the sense of belonging that CWIC creates for Black women in technology and for Black women in STEM.
I joined the center to connect with mentors in the industry outside IU.
I joined the center because I wanted to push myself out of my comfort zone.
I was drawn to the center because of the center's strong message about empowering and educating women in the STEM field. As a result, I wanted to showcase the center's staff and student interns through social media.
I joined the center to build my network and to connect with other women in tech.
Through the center, I've had the opportunity to build, grow, and improve on my skills and further develop my career goals.
This was a great outlet for me to learn software, for me to network with other women who were exploring different fields in tech. I found it to be a really empowering and just uplifting atmosphere to work in.
I joined the center because I'm passionate about equity and making an impact in the workplace.
I joined the center to find a mentor to share their experience and expertise.
We empower women to build leadership and technical skills
Through workshops,
Internships,
mentorships,
research opportunities,
and more.
Students at the center represent all schools
and over 300 majors.
at the Center of Excellence for Women in Technology.
We are more than just a place for women in tech.
We are here for you wherever you go.
Giving you endless opportunities to grow.